Senator Juan Edgardo Sonny M. Agay. It is with great honor and pride that I present to you the candidates for completion of George Feliciano Del Monte Senior High School for the school year 2025-2026. Ladies and gentlemen, the professional. Let us welcome the esteemed faculty members of our institution, starting with our dedicated grade 10 advisors. The advisors of grade 10 Jacinto Zamora, Ms. Evelyn A. Adino, and grade 10 Trinidad Quezon, Ms. Jemeline R. Duwata. The advisors of grade 10 Rafa Soliman, Mr. Alexander P. Lanoco, and grade 10 Gabriela Sina, Mr. Julius O. Caliero. The advisors of grade 10 Macario Sakay, Ms. Maria Persina C. Carion, and grade 10 Mariano Ponce, Ms. Robina P. Legaspi. The advisors of grade 10 Pedro Calero, Mr. Mariano S. Tomogin II, and grade 10 Jose Maria Pangaliban, Ms. Shirley A. Lau. The advisors of grade 10 Pataipira, Mr. Andy A. Salceda, and grade 10 Jose Pata, Mr. Zel M. Akal. The advisors of grade 10 Julio Nakil, Ms. Ivy L. Mercado, and grade 10 Miguel Manuar, Ms. Rosa M. Amaro. The advisors of grade 10 Francisco Abulos, Ms. Lizelle O. Cabre, and grade 10 Teresa Romano, Ms. Chloe M. Morico. The advisors of grade 10 Apolinario Mabini, Ms. Abigail Clarice Vini, and grade 10 Juan Luna, Ms. Rachelle S. Cabio. The advisors of grade 10 Raha Manula, Mr. Risa Sanchez Reyes, and grade 10 Lapu-Lapu, Mr. Jerry Bautista. The advisors of grade 10 Graciano Lopez Maina, Ms. Jennifer P. Castro, and grade 10 Emilio Sinto, Mr. Jonathan S. Orlean. The advisors of grade 10 Mariano Gomez, Ms. Jeremy A. Nicuo, and grade 10 Julian Felipe, Ms. Maria Teresa C. Cueco. The advisors of grade 10 Josefa Yanes Espada,